KittiesMama. My name is Emma.
I'm Jonah.
And I'm Noah.
And today we'll be doing a Burger King advent calendar.
We have a whole 16 of them.
If you haven't ever seen any of these, it's where we open up 16 compartments of food. And in this episode, we got Burger King.
And you guys requested that we do this, so if you have any other suggestions for advent calendars, comment those down below.
Also, smash that like button. Also that bell. Also that subscribe button.
Well, but that's
and subscribe.
Wow, it looks like a burger.
This is called a Rodeo King Yeehaw. It's like onion rings, bacon, ketchup, and
slices in it. That's me.
That's pretty good.
I'm gonna try it.
We're in napkin.
There's a whole lot of meat.
This is a pretty darn decent rodeo rattler here. We got, yum yum.
I'll take it. We're gonna open up number 2.
Imagine there could be a drink in there next time.
This is another burger.
Wow.
Oh, okay, I see. So it's like a rectangle. This is a bacon Swiss sourdough king.
It's a sandwich.
It's a melt. Get your facts straight, guys.
Oh.
This is basically a grilled cheese, but they put meat on it. If you have 2 pieces of bread that you toast and you put cheese in the middle, that's a grilled cheese. But put anything other than cheese on that, it becomes a melt. And there's no arguing that. This is a melt. I'm part of the grilled cheese
So are
subreddit.
you saying that a cheeseburger is a melt?
Believe me.
Looks like the grilled cheese subreddit has been teaching you well.
Ugh. Is that mega hashtag great?
It's awful.
Oh, I was so excited that it's Emma's turn.
You guys could do a better job melting your cheese.
All right, let's see what I got. It appears to be a burger. A Whopper with cheese?
I mean, obviously they have really good burgers.
We need to do an IHOP advent calendar.
It's a burger. The way Burger King burgers taste is like if your distant friend's dad made them on the grill outside. The sauce is really good. That pickle was a pickle. It was good.
I like
And
them.
the first thing that, like, my taste buds, the first thing they tasted when I bit in that was syrup, but I don't know why.
Well, now it's my turn. We're moving on to number 4. Ooh,
Or that's a...
Chicky Nugs. I'm gonna be honest, I don't like how they changed them.
No.
I wish they were still crowns.
Can we complain about
Wait, they were crowns.
Shush, shush.
They were crowns at one point.
Wait, stop.
Burger
guys.
King!
Guys, calm down. Chicky Nugs. I love Chicky Nugs. Chicky Nug dance.
The chicken nug dance.
Wow,
Number 5.
they actually have really good
All right.
chicken.
Number 5. What? They have a Coke slushie? So this is a frozen Coke, which is basically just a slushie.
It's a frozen Coke. Wow,
That's
Coke.
Coke. I give it a 10 out of 10 because it's exactly as they advertised. It's Coke and it's frozen slushie.
Now I'm gonna open up number 6.
I love these!
Woo! So I thought these were just pretzels, but turns out they're pretzel chicken fries.
The Report of the Week Daily did a review on these.
Yeah, but they're trying to steal it from me.
If there's enough for everybody to share.
They're so frantic. I've been seeing ads about these on literally every social media I have. So I'm gonna take a bite. There's just a little bit of pretzel in there.
They're a little more, textured than the...
Thanking God for this good food. It tastes like a cheese stick.
It does. Strange.
Okay, here we go. Number 7. Oh. French fries. I'll pass on those.
Wow.
These are fries. They passed the fry test.
And this is wheat. French.
More fries?
Wait a minute, are these look more salty than
All right, number 9. This looks like the 4th of July.
Yeehaw.
It says an American Brewhouse King. This is our father's burger.
Alright, what are the toppings?
And the father before
Cheese.
his.
Ooh.
Grilled onions.
Ooh!
Burger King puts so much mayo on it that you can't see anything else.
Bacon.
Bacon, lettuce.
It looks pretty good.
Looks pretty good.
Although
getting
I
better from-
doubt it'll be able to beat this one.
Eat that bad boy. Emma, eat it
Look at
and
that.
just take a bite and then give it to her father. All right.
Delicious.
Fine bun, huh?
I got a little bit of meat. I got some meat in there, but I cut myself off. That's why I said that's so weird. Yeah, good.
Number 10. I got
got a lot of bun and not very much patty.
What did you get?
More
Wow.
fries. Already reviewed those.
Potatoes. Noah, go next.
All right. What is this?
Ooh.
Is it a worm?
Oh, worm.
Are these onion rings?
Okay.
These are
guys,
perfect onion rings. They're so small.
We just got.
Calamari.
Hey, before I eat this, I gotta show you the rarity. There's an infinity symbol merged with a circle onion ring. This is insane, guys.
That looks like
This is 1 in 7 billion onion rings, guys.
sell on eBay.
I'd sell this for millions.
I love onion
Except
rings.
for Too Bad So Sad.
They're delicious.
Pretty good.
I think they're the best
Oh,
onion rings
there's
we've had on these Abercrombie. There you go.
They're really good onion rings.
Amazing onion rings. Burger King, keep it up.
Yes.
Oh boy, I sure do love fries.
It's frozen Fanta.
It's
Giant
definitely
dance.
exactly as it's described. Again, 10 out of 10 this time.
That one I was just having a seizure.
Because Fanta or Crush, whatever this is, Fanta.
It's Fanta. We've stated that.
That was just
You have
my
to look like
guess.
you're
But
physically in pain.
Fanta is one of my favorite
That's
sodas.
Want to let you know that if this were Crush, it would be great. We did a commercial with them once, and Crush it is a great phrase. Am I right or am I right? It is really good.
All right, number 14.
Excuse me. Oh, what is it?
Yum!
Woohoo!
I'm about to be bathing in fries tonight.
All right, looks like I got the best number out of this batch, and I
And
will open it.
I found a small piece of lettuce.
All right, now we'll be opening up number 15, Burger King foot lettuce. I did it. Surprisingly, not lettuce. This is
Oh
a
yeah, I would assume it was.
Ooh!
this is a Hershey Sundae fry. You had me at Hershey's trademark.
So there's a Whopper Junior somewhere in there that you guys missed.
Right here,
Whoa.
right here, number
Oh,
7.
wow.
Wow!
Was it in
What?
fries?
I want it.
All right, who went?
It's
Jonah,
mine.
Emma, Noah. Jonah, Emma, Noah, Jonah. Jonah missed the Whopper.
Can I just see my phone?
Okay, so we're not gonna eat this because it's our mom's and look how small it is. So I'll frisbee it to you.
Oh man.
Why didn't they give you a fork? Oh, they did.
Where's the fork?
That was
That
Ergo!
was how to bake.
Urjo.
It's like melted French silk.
Just to make sure it's not poison.
So bad.
Why were you holding it like that? If I would have let go of it, it would have fallen. It's good. I said it was. Oh, that's not a thing. Are you tripping? No, French silk is a very good pie that I eat all the time, and this just tastes a bit warmer than ours than we usually get. All right, here you go.
I'm opening up number 16 right now. So now that number 16 is fully open, now we can inspect what's inside.
Number 16 is says in French.
So we got the same thing, but this time, this rendition, with Twixy Twacks.
Oh man.
That's my favorite candy bar.
Wow, that looks. Do you?
You did the same.
My turn.
You did the same thing with my fries and my nugs. Wait,
I
look-
had got the
wait,
nugs.
where are my nugs?
I got the nugs.
It doesn't look like a candy bar.
Okay.
What is this?
It doesn't taste like a Twix at all.
Okay, I'm gonna do my Jonah's food review.
Wait, no, it does taste like a Twix.
It tastes like a Twix.
So you know that
However, it's exactly what they advertised it
the
as
app,
being.
the app.
However,
tastes-
something you guys don't know about me is that I don't like food. However, this is very good.
All right, don't listen to that. So, Twix. It tastes like Twix, but the Twix ice cream bars.
Wanna know what this tastes like?
A pie.
A pie.
So, favorites. I liked the first burger we had, which was called a Roundhouse Rodeo Yeehaw Burger.
Same.
Something like that. So that was that. That was my favorite. Also, I was pretty hungry, so it kind of satisfied me.
My favorites were these crispy pretzel chicken fries, which are new,
Also,
and they're real good.
Yes.
no matter
I
what
like
we
those
said,
too.
this advent calendar has not gone on my bad list. There's only one on that list, and I'll let you guys decide which one that is. It's Subway.
Wait, no, I
No,
love.
Subway was too much.
No, I love.
Leave it at that. Leave it at
no,
that.
No, no, the bacon, lettuce, whatever.
We can't
the
have a crossover.
The BCT burger was so good from Subway.
Burger. So comment down below what you guys order at Burger King.
challenge. Comment down below other suggestions for us to do for advent calendars.
And if you want to see another one again, then say that, but part 2. Don't say Subway though. Sorry, Subway. It just didn't work in the
Okay.
I love Subway, please.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, and see you later, alligator. Peace out, YouTube.
Bye.
Click the subscribe button, click the circle to subscribe. Bye.